In this video, I will show you how to create task dependencies in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you're on your dashboard, find Tasks and Projects and click on it. At the top of this section, you will see a Create button. Go ahead and click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can start filling out the details of your new task. You have options to enter the task name, add a description, assign it to a specific team member, and even set a deadline to keep everything on track. Click on the detailed form. It will pop up again. Put your task name. Since it's a detailed form, you can scroll down and click on the dependent tasks, and you will see the options available that you may use. Once you've added all the necessary details, you're ready to save and begin working with your new task. And that's how to create task dependencies in Bitrix24.